Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. If you're passionate about woodworking and have a love for nature, you're in the right place. Today, we're celebrating the incredible art of sustainable woodworking. This isn't just about making beautiful items, it's about doing so in a way that respects and honors our environment. Have you ever held a piece of wood and marveled at its beauty? Each knot and grain pattern tells a story. When we work with wood, we have the unique opportunity to transform these natural materials into something functional and artistic. Sustainable woodworking emphasizes making choices that minimize our environmental impact. It's about sourcing materials responsibly, reducing waste, and finding creative ways to utilize what nature provides. By adopting sustainable practices, we not only create beautiful pieces but also contribute positively to our planet's health. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about what inspires us to create. Nature is a powerful muse. The shapes, colors, and textures found in the natural world can spark our creativity and guide our designs. Whether it's the rustic charm of reclaimed wood or the elegance of naturally finished pieces, nature offers endless possibilities for inspiration. Imagine creating a project that not only enhances your living space but also tells a story about the environment. Each piece you craft can reflect your values and your connection to nature. This connection fosters a greater sense of appreciation for the resources we use. Now, let's consider the importance of choosing materials wisely. When sourcing wood, look for reclaimed pieces, sustainably harvested lumber, or materials from local suppliers. By choosing reclaimed wood, you're not only reducing waste but also giving new life to materials that have a history. Each scuff and mark adds character to your work, making it unique. If you opt for new wood, consider seeking out certifications like FSC, Forest Stewardship Council. This ensures that your materials come from responsibly managed forests, promoting sustainable practices in the timber industry. Making informed choices about materials is a crucial step toward being a responsible woodworker. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember that tools are essential. Investing in high-quality tools can elevate your craft and make your woodworking experience more enjoyable. Whether you prefer hand tools or power tools, each has its place in the workshop and can help you realize your vision. Safety is paramount in woodworking. Always prioritize personal safety by wearing goggles, gloves, and ear protection. Creating a safe working environment empowers you to focus on your projects with peace of mind. Let's shift gears and talk about creativity. There's an incredible joy in transforming raw materials into finished pieces. Woodworking allows you to be both creator and artist, and the satisfaction of seeing your ideas take shape is unmatched. Consider how you can incorporate elements of nature into your designs. Perhaps a live-edge tabletop inspires you, or maybe a wooden sculpture showcasing organic forms. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. Every piece you create can embody your unique style and passion for nature. One of the wonderful things about woodworking is that there's always something new to learn. Whether experimenting with new finishes, exploring different techniques, or finding innovative ways to use materials, the world of woodworking is full of surprises. Embrace the journey of learning and let it fuel your creativity. As you develop your skills, remember to share your journey with others. Engaging with fellow enthusiasts can inspire and motivate you. Whether you seek feedback on a project or ideas for new designs, the woodworking community offers a wealth of knowledge and support. If you ever feel stuck or uninspired, take a walk in nature. Observe the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Nature can reignite your passion and inspire your next project. Plus, it serves as a reminder of why sustainable practices are vital. Now, let's talk about the finishing touches. The right finish can enhance and protect your work. Natural oils, like linseed or tung oil, not only bring out the beauty of the wood but are also environmentally friendly options. Choosing non-toxic finishes ensures that your craftsmanship remains safe for your family and the environment. As we wrap up our discussion on sustainable woodworking, I want to encourage you to explore and experiment. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. Every project is an opportunity to grow and discover new techniques that reflect your unique style. Thank you for joining me today in celebrating the art of sustainable woodworking. I hope this discussion inspires you to craft beautiful pieces while caring for our planet. Remember, every small choice counts, and together, we can make a difference in how we interact with nature. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. Your support helps us continue sharing ideas and inspiring creativity. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're updated on our future videos. Join us next time as we explore more exciting projects and sustainability tips in the world of woodworking. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and honor the beauty of the natural world in your work.